Our goal is to unload and assemble medical beds in these buildings behind me for COVID-19 patients to relieve hospitals near and far, because so many hospitals are filled up with patients. So we're pretty much just helping out any way we can.
Well, we have the materials delivered. We're assembling emergency beds for possible patients.
If we're not building beds, we're just doing general maintenance around the facility, whether it be picking up trash or moving dirt around, anything we can do to help out.
So we're keeping everything clean and tidy since it's an older building. We're trying to just make everything comfortable.
Well, being in the CCC, we're automatically emergency responders. And we can get called out to go to locations either near our home or farther out. Once we get there, we never know what we're gonna be doing, but whatever it is, whether it's light work or hard work, for me, I'm just glad that I'm able to help out and make a difference no matter what it is, if it's for a good cause.
Yeah, you're helping your community. We all get to come together, and even if we're not the doctors saving lives, we're helping the doctors save lives. We're here to help and make things run smoother.
And I'm happy to be a part of it always.